So that's the way up to the room. This is part of the very large lobby area. This is very underutilized, this area. And we come out here to the main lobby. That's the end. And also something. This is the main lobby area. Lady at front desk. Hi. Here. We good? Do you want to say hi? Hi. I have a little video. Is it okay to say hi? Is it okay to say hello? Yeah? This is our concierge, is that it? Yeah. Okay, very good. Nice to meet you both. Okay, that's the front office and we're going to head out. We'll check out the Savoy Hotel, which is down the street here somewhere. This way, I believe. And that is where we get the beach pass. For Filipinos, this is a suitable eating establishment, I think. Lots of Filipino food right next door. Hi there. Thank you. Hello. Good Filipino food here, yeah? Yeah, excellent. This one is, what is this? I don't know, maybe more Japanese. Looks like Japanese style. I don't know, Korean barbecue. Oh gosh, that's, I think, new since the last time I was here. This way to the Savoy, and that's where we need to go to get our beach pass. On the way we have floaties, which looks like it's some kind of tea shop. Milk tea and lattes. And next door to that we have chicken on beer, did it say? Chicken on beer, yes it did say. The two go together for some people. There we have it. Something else I've been seeing here, the atmosphere looks like a bar/club. Another condo, I believe, here across the street. That's Tower 1 Plaza. This is 7-Eleven. One of these buildings is Papa John's, the Italian food guy. He was really good and really good value when I was here last. Yes, that's an address some people may be familiar with. One Manchester Place. Another condo building here, One Pacific Residence. This is the lobby for that building. As we continue to walk along towards the Savoy Hotel, we have some construction going on here. Not sure what this building is or will be, but I'll post below if I find out. This seems to be called a no-name building. Perhaps it's an alternative entrance to one of the other buildings, but really, I don't see a name. Alright. This is what I'm looking for, Savoy Hotel. So this is where I have to go to get this turned into a pass to go to the beach. Oh, hi. Apparently I come here to get a beach pass, is that right? Yeah.
For 2 passes?
Yeah, I just need one right now, but, you know, it's just for today, right?
Yes, sir. You just need one?
Yeah, I just need one, right? For today, I just need one. That's the Savoy Hotel, and to the beach. Got my pass. So now we're going in search of the beach. On the way, we go by the Belmont Hotel, which is right next door to the Savoy. Another tall building, lots of glass. Must be nice views from the rooms. Because they're all from almost everywhere around here. There is possibly the answer to the earlier question. It looks like the Pearl Global Residences, Mactan Newtown. That's what that building is probably going to be confirmed. I'm pretty sure I attended a presentation for the Pearl about a year ago, so I must dig into my files and see if I can recover that. No, I never published it. So we've reached the end of this road, just past the Belmont Hotel there, and we have a sign, this way to Mactan Beach, Mactan Newtown Beach. So we'll head down here on our quest to find the beach. Looks like there's a port down here too. That's the way to the Angasville port, whatever that is. But this way to Mactan Beach. So this road, which is substantially deserted, curves around here a little bit. We're still on the way to the beach. So here we have, at the end of that deserted looking road, we have what we call in the UK and Ireland a roundabout, otherwise known as a traffic circle, for those who may be from other places in this world, on this way to the Mactan Beach. Still no sign of a beach, but we're still heading in the right direction. We have a beach dog, but no beach, looks like. Hey dude, can you show me where the beach is? Can you show me where the beach is? No? Okay. Bye. Hi. Hi. Watching sunset here. And we have another sign for the beach.
Hello, from Curacao here, and the birthday.
Curacao?
Yes.
Ah, cool. You visiting Mactan?
Yes, for first time. This is my first day today.
Ah, we just arrived as well, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we're going to the beach,
Yep.
looking what's good there.
Doing the same thing. I was here 1 year ago,
Yes.
but the beach was closed then, so I never saw the beach.
Okay.
So this is my first time to see the beach here
Okay.
also.
Let's go it. Let's do it.
Let's do it. We're nearly there. So here's our final sign, and it's good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
And I think we finally have the beach.
Yeah, over there, right over there. It's the beach.
Excellent. So we found the beach. We found the beach.
Found it. Yes.
Now, so you're a drone pilot?
Yeah, I'm a drone pilot.
Oh, that's cool.
Now we're gonna film some. We're gonna make some cool shots from the
Excellent.
beach, and look if we can get
Oh,
to
here we
the
are.
other side. Yeah. Little far.
Excellent. So, do you need a license or anything here, or do you have the license, or do you
Yeah, I
just,
got-
you
got
just
the
do it?
license.
Oh, you got the license.
Yeah, I got
Very
the
good.
license.
Oh, you're all legal, so.
Yes, we fly legal over here.
Yeah. Do you want to give us your social media name? Whichever one?
My Instagram is byorsthepilot.
By what pilot?
Byors the pilot.
By Ors?
Yes, BYORS the pilot.
By Ors.
And,
By ORS, the
my
pilot.
TikTok is om.films. You check
OM.
me
Print?
Films.
Films.
Yes.
All one word?
Yes.
No spaces.
No
Okay.
spaces.
Gotcha. All right. This is it.
Hey.
This is our beach. We got it.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the beach.
That's another island, yeah?
Another island?
Yes.
Is that Cebu? No, that's,
No, that's-
Olangapo or something.
Yes, here.
I think it's called Olangapo or Olango. Do you ladies know the name of this island? No? Olangapo or something?
Olango
Olangapo.
Island.
Olangapo. Okay.
Olango.
Olango.
So that's how we should pronounce it.
Ah, okay.
Olangapo. Thank you. Salamat.
Terima kasih.
Olangapo. It's the island over there. There's a ferry there that goes somewhere, I guess, that yellow boat. Here he is, the drone pilot from Curacao. And the fly is DJI Classic 3, was that what it was?
Yes, three classic.
What should I call you?
Capture moment films.
Capture Moment Films.
Yeah.
But when I'm talking to you, what should I call you? I'll just call
Orso.
you Orso.
Yeah.
Orso. Orso is about to fly. Captain Orso.
Oh, that's bad news. I can fly here.
Too near the airport.
Yes.
Authorization zone. Is it because it's too near the airport, maybe?
I think so. Let me see.
The airport is very close.
Yes, that's why. Oh, sorry guys.
No
We can
worries.
fly here.
It's nice to see the drone anyway. It would have been fun to see it flying, but nevertheless, that's cool. You can't even fly it up to 100 feet or something.
Nothing.
No, nothing. So no joy for my new friend Orso. He couldn't fly the drone. I'm assuming it's because it was too close to Mactan Airport. But next time. Oh. And now we're racing home to Newtown Blvd. Hope you enjoyed the visit to the beach, folks. And next time we'll try and stay longer and find something a little more interesting to do. Yes, we are home. Newtown Blvd. And here we go. Walking home. Hope you enjoyed the quick visit to the beach, folks. And next time we'll try and find what? Don't know.
Elevators. Here, we just missed an elevator. This one's coming down. There are two elevators.